Alright guys, welcome to our new YouTube video. Today we are going to talk about how you can prepare your walls and your background before applying your stucco effect paint. So watch as we proceed. So the first thing you do before applying your stucco paint is, first of all, you have to check your walls. If your walls are correct, make sure that the surfaces of your wall are smooth and free from dirt, and then you have to sandpaper it. So you wipe it off, and after you wipe it off, the next thing to do is to prime your walls. Make sure you are using a stucco primer. So before you prime your walls, make sure that the primer you are using has the ability to absorb your stucco, so that you do not at the end of the day spoil the material. So you have to prime with a stucco primer. It is best to use a stucco primer while doing this. So you allow for 8 hours for your primer to dry. After for 8 hours your primer is dried, then you proceed with your base coat or your background for your stucco. So that is it guys. After your background is done, your background is ready for your finishing to be applied, your stucco to be applied on your wall. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube station. In our next video we are going to show you how we can apply our finishing stucco on the wall in order for us to create a marble like effect.